Hello friends, welcome to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Protein. Friends, today in this video, I am going to show you a homemade hair conditioner. How to make a homemade hair conditioner that will give you a stronger, thicker and lustrous hair. Now friends, the main ingredient used in this pack, in this conditioner is henna. Now henna is an excellent and deep conditioner. Now when it is combined with yogurt or egg, the conditioning power of henna increases. Now henna, when applied, gives a protective layer around the hair strands and thus locks the essential nutrients that are required for hair growth. In other words, it aids in hair growth. Again, henna restores the acid and alkaline balance of the scalp. It protects your hair from getting extra frizzy. Now friends, henna, it contains tannin. And what does tannin do? It binds the hair and makes it stronger. Henna ensures lustrous and thicker hair with each application. Also, it controls the oiliness of your hair. Apart from this, it cleanses your hair and removes dandruff. So friends, henna as a conditioner works wonders for your hair and scalp. So friends, let's move on and see that how we can prepare this homemade hair conditioner. But before that, I want to remember you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. To start with, take a bowl and add to it 100 grams of henna powder. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. Now add to it 2 tablespoons of fenugreek or methi powder. Now add to it juice of 1 whole lemon. Now add to it 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now add to it 100 grams of hanged yogurt. Remember, it should be hanged yogurt. Now friends, you can also, if you so like, add a whole egg for this pack. Now friends, add to it warm water to make a fine paste. Add warm water and mix thoroughly to make a fine paste. Now you have to apply this paste on your scalp and throughout the length of your hair and then keep it for about 1 hour. Then wash off with clean water and then shampoo. Apply at least once a week to get the maximum result. Mix thoroughly so that a fine paste is made. So friends, as you can see, a very fine paste has been made. Make sure that there are no lumps in this paste. Now the paste is ready to apply. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.